Good afternoon. It is March 9, 2025, and it's a Sunday. We are in the 3 p.m. hour, and Asia has not opened yet. For weeks, we've been looking at this quarter low, see if it's some sort of draw. We've gotten that draw, and price has multiple times hit this and going down or up. It's mostly hit this and tried to go up. However, everything fundamentally looks as if we're going to flush to this September low. On the index, they have this low here at 5606 as well. And then after that, it is the low of September. This is a good place if you are a bull. If you're a bull, this is a great place to try and put a buy order in at this close, wherever it opens up, Monday at 9:30 a.m. and stops below here. It's not the craziest risk on earth, but it is something, because you could still try and get another move up to this high here after they finally take this quarter low. They've taken that quarter low in the actual index, they've taken the quarter low in the Forex index, and obviously in futures they've taken it. So that's a very good low risk buy setup right around here, and we will see how that plays out. It's pretty much the same story with the rest of stocks. Been looking at that low here. I looked at this low months ago, and then it hit it again. So now it's just a matter of, with all the stocks really, it's just a matter of, are we bullish or not? And it has yet to be seen if we are bullish or not. It's just practically the same story all throughout all the stocks that I'm looking at. Here's TKO. That's December low right there, so you could flush that with this fair value gap there and get us into a bear market. With Bitcoin is still moving lower after grabbing this 80,000 whale level that I was looking at. Still moving lower. There's some added volume here, and now we are printing even more added volume here, signaling more bearish action. If you bought here, if you bought at that whale level, I would have my stops at break even or taking something. If you took something up there, perfect. But if you got this low and you aimed for, say, here but didn't get it, I would put at break even and then just let them go low. These are all the levels that I'm looking at on Bitcoin. Hopefully it could go as low as the 2023 low. I would be in an absolute crash, and the whales would be SOL, but it's more so probably just this or this. It'll flush this if it's bullish, if it's bearish. The same goes for the rest of the market. The DAX is shorting, and usually this means that we're still bullish on SPY, but that will probably not be the case here. And the VIX is elevated. The VIX is elevated, and we could be climbing more if volatility says so. And that's yet to be seen. I like to look at gold as well. And gold is looking pretty well. That is perma buy and hold here. Perma buy and hold here. This is a seller's candle up here, so we could go for a retracement somewhere around around these two, around this level here. So it could bounce from here and keep going up. I'm gonna leave that up. And yeah, SPY has a bullish opportunity here, but they have to force the issue next week. We have jolts on Tuesday, CPI on Wednesday, and then PPI on Thursday. So Monday has to be the day where they show that they're going to force the issue up back to this high, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is pretty much beholden to what the news is, especially jolts. Job numbers, baby. Job numbers are extremely important, and it's a good thing that all of these things are happening in terms of federal jobs numbers are happening now, because by the time we get to April, which is the real start of the year in terms of trading, we'll get a clearer picture as to what's going on with the entire market. But yeah, this is a good bullish opportunity for anyone that's perma-bull, but you have to put your stops at September low, at least on SPY, at least on the futures contract. On SPY, you want to try and see if you could get a limit order here, because they're going to grab this. Get a limit order here and see if it could take it up here, and that'll be a good trade, but I don't know if it's going to be a good hold. And then if that doesn't hold, September low is there, and then the quarter low, another quarter low, quarter low, quarter low, quarter low. And then this is the 2024 low, which is where I think they're going to get to at some point this year. If this is a full bull run, this would be the level. All right, you have a blessed day.